That ad right there, built from a single Amazon listing. I pasted one Amazon product URL, and a couple of minutes later, I had 10 video ads ready to run. And here's what's different from every other AI video tool that I've tried. It didn't make anything up. It read the actual product listing, the product name, the images, the bullet points, the reviews. So what comes out matches what you'll actually sell. I'll show you the whole thing, including the part that most people rush past. How to look at a set of AI ads and figure out which one to run first. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric, and here on this channel, we figure out how to move product on Amazon without the massive production budget. The problem, video converts. Sponsored brands video off Amazon social ads driving back to your listing, but you don't have footage. The old way means hiring a creator, shipping out your product, waiting weeks and paying thousands of dollars. So most sellers make one video, run it until it dies, and never really test. That's what we're trying to fix here today. Open the agent. Here I am inside of Creatify opening up the agent. For this demo, I'm using the creatine monohydrate gummies. This is a big Amazon category and there's tons of competition over there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm gonna go to my Amazon listing. This is the Amazon listing we'll be using today. It is creatine monohydrate gummies. We'll go ahead and copy that. And then we'll go over here into the Creatify agent mode. So first things first, we gotta get this product in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and click on product, and I'm gonna go ahead and just paste this in right here. Go ahead and paste that in, and go ahead and click this little arrow, and it's gonna go ahead and scrape all of that data for us. Okay, so after just a couple seconds, as you can see, it's gone ahead and pulled in the product name, the category. It also came down here and pulled all of the assets. So not only the assets from the page here, but other videos and whatnot from the reviews. We'll go ahead and let that finish up right there. We'll go ahead and select it and click use this product. Here's what makes this input useful. The agent doesn't just grab your photos and slap them together. It reads the listing, the product name, the bullet points, the key claims, even reviews, and locks all of that in as the ground truth before it writes a single word of the script. That matters because the biggest fear with AI ads is that it'll just make something up. A wrong benefit, a feature that doesn't exist, that gets an ad rejected or misleads a customer. Now you just give it direction. Here's my listing for creatine gummies. Make me a set of short video ads for social that drive people to buy on Amazon. Give me a few different hooks. Now, before I let it generate one habit that saves real money, tell me how many credits this will use before you generate. It comes back with the cost before it spends a thing. I decide if it's reasonable, then go, or trim it. Make it a habit every time. Numbers look good, then hit go. All right, let's go ahead and send this one off. So this used to take a week. Auto mode, it reads the listing, pulls the details, and writes a different script per hook angle. One opens on the problem, maybe wanting the strength and recovery of creatine without a chalky scoop. One leads with social proof, and one gets straight at curiosity. Then it casts an avatar for each, locks the voice, generates the shots, scores the music, stitches the cuts, and reviews its own output before handing it over. All right, so it looks like it went in here and it's gone ahead and planned out our 3 different videos here, and it's got a different credit estimate. So for this entire job, it's saying it'll use about 156 credits. So we'll go ahead and proceed with that and let it go ahead and work. All right, so after just a couple minutes, these videos are done. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Now, again, first thing that we want to do here is go ahead and play them with no sound to go ahead and start things out and just see how it looks without the sound.
I swapped my creatine powder for these orange gummies for 30 days. Here's the result. Same strength grains, way better recovery, and no more chalky shaker bottle to clean. They're on Amazon. Just search Create Creatine Gummies. Most people take creatine for muscle. Almost nobody knows it also sharpens your brain. Studies link it to 20% better memory, and these gummies make it effortless. Search Create Creatine Gummies on Amazon, orange flavor.
Why are we still choking down chalky creatine powder when this exists?
3 orange gummies, 1.5 grams of pure creatine each, 0 mixing, 0 grit. Trust me. Search Create Creatine Gummies on Amazon.
And you're not stuck with whoever it picks first. Sometimes I ask it straight up, just give me 3 or 4 avatars that fit this audience. It'll propose a few faces and drops the actual product into each one instantly. So I see the gummies in their hands before spending a credit. The right face is half the sale on a cold scroll. People stop for someone who looks like them. So I pick the avatar that looks like my real customer, not the one I personally like. Payoff, picking the winner. So you've got like 10 ads now. Which one do you run first? I'm not picking my favorite. My taste doesn't pay the bills. I watch the first 3 seconds of each with the sound off because that's how most people first see it, on mute while they're scrolling. The opening shot and on-screen text make me want to keep watching with no audio, then that's a really strong sign. Then I turn the sound on. Does the hook match how my actual customer thinks? For Create, that's I wanted creatine without choking down a chalky scoop. If the ad opens on the real reason people buy, that's my front runner. And you don't run just one. Take your top 2 or 3, launch them together in the same ad set, and let the platform tell you which wins with real data. Then, whichever wins, you come back and tell the agent to make more like it. Quick recap. You paste in your listing into the agent, give it a direction, ask for credit cost before it generates, let the auto mode build the full set, then read the set. First 3 seconds on mute, then with sound. Pick your top 2 or 3, launch, and let the data crown a winner. No camera, no creator, no shoot day. And you do this for every product in your catalog, building a real library instead of being stuck with one tired video. Now, you don't have to commit to anything to start with Creatify. You can go ahead and use the link down in the description, enough to go ahead and try this out and see what it looks like on the inside for yourself. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. We'll see you here in the next video.